Welcome back, science lovers. Today, we are stripping away the visuals and diving straight into the pure, unadulterated facts. Get ready for a rapid-fire journey through the bizarre cosmos, the incredible human body, the wild natural world, and the mind-bending laws of physics. Plus, we're going to bust some of the biggest science myths you probably still believe. Let's jump right in. First, let's look out into the vastness of the cosmos. 1. Space isn't completely silent. While it is a vacuum, electromagnetic vibrations like plasma waves can actually be translated into sound by instruments. 2. The moon is shaped like a lemon. It has flattened poles and distinct bulges around its equator, likely caused by early gravitational interactions with Earth. 3. The center of the Milky Way smells like rum and tastes like raspberries. Astronomers discovered a massive dust cloud packed with ethyl formate, the chemical responsible for these specific flavors and scents. 4. A day on Mercury is twice as long as its year. A solar day from sunrise to sunrise takes 176 Earth days. 5. All the other planets in our solar system could easily fit into the empty space between Earth and the Moon. 6. You could survive for a couple of minutes in the vacuum of space without a spacesuit. You would lose consciousness in about 10 seconds, and your bodily fluids would boil, but your blood vessels would maintain enough pressure to prevent instant death. 7. A single teaspoon of a neutron star weighs over 1 trillion kilograms. That is more than the weight of the entire human population. 8. A day on Venus is longer than its year. It takes 243 Earth days to complete a single spin, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. 9. Jupiter's magnetic field is so massive that if it were visible, it would appear larger than the Moon in our night sky. 10. Neptune has only completed a single orbit since its discovery in 1846. 11. The absolute coldest place in the known universe is the Boomerang Nebula. It sits at a freezing -272 degrees Celsius. 12. Saturn's massive ring system spans 175,000 miles across, yet it is only about 30 feet thick in most places. Now let's bring it back to Earth and look at the marvel that is the human body. 13. Infants are born with about 300 bones, but adults only have 206. As we grow, many of these smaller bones naturally fuse together. 14. More than half of all the bones in your body are located in your hands, wrists, feet, and ankles. 15. Your body produces an astonishing 25 million new cells every single second. 16. Your brain is an absolute energy hog. Despite making up only 2% of your body mass, it uses 20% of your body's oxygen and blood supply. 17. Pound for pound, your bones are stronger than steel. A block of bone the size of a matchbox can support up to 18,000 pounds of weight. 18. Humans and giraffes both usually have exactly 7 neck vertebrae. 19. Your stomach acid contains strong hydrochloric acid that is potent enough to dissolve metal. 20. You carry more bacterial cells inside and on your body than you do actual human cells. 21. Human blood is never blue. Deoxygenated blood is simply a very dark red. Think biology is crazy? Wait until you hear these facts about the natural world. 22. Trees secretly talk to one another, using an intricate underground network of soil fungi dubbed the Wood Wide Web. Trees can communicate and send warnings about droughts or disease. 23. Dolphins have specific names for each other. They use distinct whistles to identify individuals and will respond when they hear their own name called out. 24. African buffalo herds operate as a democracy. They make decisions on which direction to travel by using a literal voting system. 25. Bamboo holds the world record for the fastest growing plant, with some species growing up to 35 inches in a single day. 26. There are an estimated 3 trillion trees on Earth, which vastly outnumbers the stars in the Milky Way. 27. All living birds are direct descendants of theropod dinosaurs. 28. The blue whale is the largest animal to ever exist, growing up to 100 feet long and weighing a massive 200 ton, 29. Dense forests move so much water from the soil into the atmosphere that they can actually create their own rain. 30. Sharks have been swimming in our oceans for over 400 million years. This means they are older than the dinosaurs and even existed before trees. 31. Orcas, famously known as killer whales, are not actually whales at all. They are the largest species in the dolphin family. 32. Wombat poop is perfectly cube-shaped to keep it from rolling away and help mark their territory. 33. Certain species of turtles have the bizarre ability to breathe underwater, through their butts. Next up, let's break reality with some mind-bending physics and chemistry. 34. Water can simultaneously boil and freeze. This happens at a specific, perfectly balanced condition of temperature and pressure, known as its triple point. 35. Bananas are slightly radioactive because they contain a naturally radioactive isotope called potassium-40. 36. Hot water can actually freeze faster than cold water. This entirely counterintuitive phenomenon is known as the Mpemba effect. 37. Liquid and solid oxygen are not invisible. They actually have a pale blue color. 38. The Eiffel Tower physically grows taller during the summer because the intense heat causes the iron structure to expand. 39. There are more mathematically possible games of chess than there are atoms in the observable universe. 40. You can set a diamond on fire. Since diamonds are made of pure carbon, they will burn in oxygen at extremely high temperatures. 41. Gallium is a highly unusual metal that has such a low melting point it will melt right in the palm of your hand. 42. If you drop a heavy hammer and a light feather in a perfect vacuum, they will hit the ground at the exact same time. Without air resistance, weight does not matter when objects fall. 43. Right now, 65 billion ghostly particles called neutrinos are passing through every square centimeter of your body, every single second. 44. Because matter is simply another form of energy, a wound-up jack-in-a-box actually weighs ever so slightly more than a released one. 45. Time travel into the future is real due to relativity. If you traveled to Alpha Centauri at 99%, the speed of light, people on Earth would experience 4.4 years, while you would only age 7.5 months. Finally, it's time to bust some widespread science myths that are completely false. 46. Storing your batteries in the fridge or freezer will not make them last longer. It actually reduces their performance and exposes them to damaging moisture condensation. 47. Bats are not blind. In fact, some fruit-eating bats can see 3 times better than humans. 48. Airplane cabin air is not full of recirculated germs. Commercial planes use highly advanced HEPA filters that remove 99.97% of particulate material. 49. Eating Thanksgiving turkey does not inherently make you sleepy. It doesn't contain significantly more tryptophan than chicken or beef. You are just tired from overeating carbohydrates. 50. Bulls do not get angry when they see the color red. They are actually partially colorblind and are simply triggered by the matador invading their space and waving a cape. 51. Going outside with wet hair will not give you a cold. Colds are caused exclusively by viruses, not by being chilly. 52. Getting frequent trims does not make your hair grow faster. Hair grows from the follicles in your scalp, so cutting the dead ends has no effect on growth speed. 53. Cracking your knuckles will absolutely not give you arthritis. It might annoy your friends, but there is no scientific link to joint damage. 54. Putting a wet cell phone in the uncooked rice is a bad idea. The rice cannot suck out the water and can actually introduce damaging dust into your phone's ports. 55. The 5-second rule for dropped food is a total myth. Bacteria transfers to dropped food instantaneously upon contact with the floor. And there you have it. A pure, unfiltered dive into the most incredible facts and debunked myths the scientific world has to offer. Science relies on evidence, and as we've seen today, the truth is often stranger than fiction. Thanks for listening, and keep exploring.